Hi, it's Cathy with her certified with test drive number 610. It's the 2021 Toyota Sequoia, and it's the Black Hawk, all-wheel drive. So decided to take this lovely vehicle all the way to Singing Hills, California. Check out this. This is just absolutely beautiful. It's a 300-mile drive, and it was as easy as can be. Now I have to say the gas mileage, I'm only getting 13 miles to the gallon, so I'm filling up quite a bit. 2 days of golf, and 1 day at the Automotive Museum in San Diego, and the other day at the Air and Space Museum in San Diego. This vehicle has just, look at how it handles the curves. It's fantastic. Plenty of room, plenty of room. So, talk to you soon.